Volkswagen Torun 1.9 TDI. Customer said my car doesn't pick up the speed, so I went for the test drive and I feel clutch has been finished, and I said to customer should replace the clutch. Yeah, anyway, customer came for drop his taxi, so I took the gearbox off, took the clutch off as well. Gearbox condition is okay, clutch padding is okay, but just the clutch fit is completely finished. It's completely finished clutch. It's my break time for half an hour. After the break, I'm gonna put the clutch, put the gearbox. It's not hard to do that. I already received the clutch. I think it's clutch and flywheel together. I need to put back, but after the break. Flywheel condition looks good to me. Nah, no, it's not good. Look. Oh, there's some play in there. Anyway, clutch and flywheel, I'm gonna replace it. Alright, see you. Yeah, I just done it now. Just take 3 hours to put back the gearbox, clutch, do the service as well. So I'm going for a test drive. Volkswagen Torun 1.9 diesel 2011 model. So I'm going to put back the right down. After I'm gonna go for the test drive. Why it doesn't close? There you go. See ya.